Hi everybody, welcome to my channel one more time, and today I have really good news, super good news I'm been waiting to show you this for a long time. So I'm super duper excited, and I have two reasons. My reason number one is because Demon Lash, we have 1 year of Demon Lash, and number two, let me show you. I'm gonna go get it and I will back. This is my second reason. These tweezers, oh my gosh, I've been looking for these tweezers for the last year, and finally they are amazing for volume. Seriously, all of them. Look at how pretty these are. It has the logo in front, and then on the back, I hope you can see, it has the diamond, and I'm loving it. I cannot live with these tweezers anymore without them. So I want to show you why these are not regular tweezers. These are the tweezers. So let me go show you. Let's go check them out. Let me show you why I'm loving these tweezers that you must have. I'm been looking for these tweezers for a year, and finally I got them. So first of all, you can use the boot tweezer with the pinching technique or on the lash street. So it works good with both techniques, and I'm going to show you. When you bring your lashes, it takes all of them, and then look at how easy it makes the fan. Let me show you a different one, but I just love them. I'm really happy with all of them. If I can bring that closer, and when you pick it up, it brings everything. You see? Oh, how good is that? And then if you want to do the pinching method, you can do that too. It will work amazing too. So both of your techniques, it will work really good. So that is the boot tweezer. And then we have our 3L tweezers, and the difference is the tip. This one is 5mm, 7 and 13. I like this one for inner corners or shorter lashes. This one more for like longer lashes. And you can use this one too for making the pinching technique. I'm going to show you. That one will work really good for the pinching. That one wasn't good, but it's okay. Let's get closer. Nice. And you can use it on the strip too, but I use more these ones, so I'm just going to show you. And all of them, they work really good, just the same. Really good quality. I'm loving it. This tweezer has helped me so much with my students and with on my sets too. So if you have students, these will help you. They learn faster, and of course they need to have really good lashes that they're easy to work with. So yeah, I'm loving these tweezers and my new lashes. These are my new edition. We are stocking slow the sizes and the course, so you must try one of these ones. They're really easy to make the fit. Okay guys, so that is why I'm loving these tweezers. So for you guys, I have a nice surprise. I'm super excited for this. I'm doing a giveaway, and of course you're gonna get on the giveaway our new tweezers. The Hero collection, I have made these, and it comes with this little package, and you will get the boot tweezer with the L 7mm, which these, if you have these two tweezers, you are good for volume. You will become a pro, I promise you. The second thing that everybody, this is our number one sell that we sell. It's our 007 high bond, and this is really good for volume. And of course, our new edition lash mix tray. You can, if you don't do volume, I can give you a classic. So whatever will be fine for you, I will give you. And 10 pads of our gel pads, and these ones are super good. They're moist, they stick to the skin even if they are oily. So that comes on our giveaway. So what do you need to do to enter to our giveaway? Of course, you need to give us a like to this video. Please subscribe to my channel, and I would like you comment below and let me know, what do you love being a lash artist? What is your favorite part being a lash artist? So do that, and in a week I'm gonna announce who is the winner. And for those ones that they didn't win it, I have something for you guys too, and it will be 10% off on all our products. I will give you a discount code right here, welcome 095, and you can try our tweezers, whatever you want to buy from our store, you will get a discount. So there is something for everybody. So all right guys, that is everything for today, and I'm super excited you guys try my products, and please let me know what do you think. It's really important, your feedback. If you didn't like it, it's okay, I totally understand. Sometimes people don't like what other likes, but I hope of course you like it. So enter to a giveaway. Good luck, and I will see you next time. Bye.